Alrighty, we're here at Forever 21. Here at the Florida Mall here in Orlando. And check out what we have here. So, you won't see a video of the elevator at H&M because the elevator is out of service. Oh gosh. Oh no. This is the shit-tastic KONE. It's all scratched up.
Second floor.
Oh gosh. That's a really loud voice. There too are.
Going down.
Oh gosh. This sucks.
First floor. Going up.
I think we're right on this. High security. Oh gosh, this thing is so bad.
Second floor.
Oh gosh, this thing is so bad.
Going down.
Oh gosh, this thing is so bad. The shit-tastic KONE. Oh, this thing is wonderful.
First floor. Going up. Going up.
Oh, this thing is shit-tastic KONE.
Going up.
Oh, this thing is just a piece of junk. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.